last y'all saw, we were taking all the old soffit mess down from here and up that way. And you see now, we've got this, our other barge rafter over here, we've got this all buttoned up. We've got the soffit in, got the fascia board and our soffit. Looking all pretty across here. And when y'all come along here, you can see all my metal. Bunches of hangers and clips and strapping over here. Somebody a long time ago did an addition here. See this first window is part of the original house from 1960 some odd time ago. In that other window there, you see how it bulges around. They don't look in line with each other because whoever built this addition here they must have like framed their wall to the side of the house, and then when they put their siding on, they came out, because you can see the wall comes down and then it goes whoop, up over at that transition. But we've done a pretty good job up here. You see all our lumber up there, tying that wall together with our rafters up top and everything in between. We've done a pretty good job working with that funny spot in the wall. You see everything looks pretty straight and smooth. When you get over here along the edge, that bottom 2x4 is nice and straight up there with everything up top, so when we come along with our plywood, it'll be a nice smooth flush finish there. When this is all finished up, we're going to look like one single solid home, and we sure can't wait. Right, buddy? Can't wait? You excited? You're so excited. Good girl. Well, we got some plywood up on our wall there now. See, it's just about looking finished up. Now our plywood's ready for some primer, and then go over it with our caulking and hit it with some color. Next thing we'll be doing is right up here in the top, we're going to be putting in some blocking for the other side of our soffit to hit up against. Now I've got my soffit blocking in. See all these 2x4s, and every 4 feet, see the double up? That gives me a flat even layer to put my soffit board up against, and then this side will look like that side. You see? You see? Spin, 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 see? So now I'm ready to paint up this plywood and paint up all my soffit pieces that I just cut to fit in here. That looks much better with all the nail holes filled in.